Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you what to do when you have a software update in your Tesla. So in this case, I have this Model S, and what we have here is a software update that just came in. This is a 2020.36.11 update they just pushed out to my car. So a couple of ways you'll know that you do have a new software update is you'll get a pop-up like this, and even if you ignore it, it'll keep coming up every time you start the car. The other way it will tell you is if you have the Tesla app installed, the app will tell you that there is a software update. Now, one thing to keep in mind, if you made a service appointment, it is very much possible that you'll see a software update as soon as you make your service appointment, or maybe a few days later. And what happened is they push a software update based on your appointment, and that is something they recommend you not to do. So if you're getting this update and you have a Tesla appointment coming up, I would not do the update. So only do this update, if you don't have an appointment and you got the thing. So what we will do is one thing I'm going to show you guys is on the app what it looks like. Okay, so in the app you can see on the second one it says software update, and it tells you install now. It'll take about 50 minutes. During the update process, you will not be able to drive the car or use the touch screen, and your car alarm may disable for a short duration if enabled. Air suspension may lower the vehicle during the update. So you can do the update right from here, or we can do it from the screen. So I'm not going to do it from here. I'm going to go ahead and directly in the screen and do it from there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do the software installation. You don't need to turn the car on. It can stay off. All you have to do is just click on install now. Okay, unable to start a software update because Sentry mode was set to on. Sentry mode must be off during a software update. Set Sentry mode to off. So we're going to go to this. We're going to go into safety and security, and I'm going to turn this off. Sentry mode, let's turn it off. So now we can go into software, and you'll see this software update, and then it'll bring you back on this screen. So we're going to go ahead and click install now, and now the update began. So it'll take about 2 minutes for it to start. And the timer, the reason they give you this timer is just in case, if something happened, you want to cancel it. Because once you start this, there's no cancellation. There's no going back, So they want you to decide, within the 2 minutes that you do want to cancel it. But also, let's follow this. So to begin, park your car and close your doors. You will not be able to drive or use your touch screen. Air suspension may lower. So the same directions that we saw on the app, tells you here. So just in case if you are somewhere else, they just want to warn you and make sure you're prep in a position where you can start the update. All right, starting 4, 3, 2, 1. And there is a screen that you're going to get when the update is going. So you just have to wait, for it to completely finish. And then once it finishes, it's probably going to reboot and do a bunch of stuff. So at this point, don't do anything to the car. You're going to step out, just wait 50 minutes, whatever it recommended. And then once you come back, the update should be complete. Okay, so once it's in progress, if you go to your app, it'll tell you the software update is in progress, and it tells you the percent, so if you see the software update, it says it's at 10% right now. So this from the app, you can monitor it. You don't have to stay in the car to find out when it's complete. You can go to the app and it'll tell you when it's complete. Okay, so once the update is complete, you're going to get this screen, and it will tell you exactly what happened in this particular update. So in this one, navigate on autopilot, exit passing lane was added, power wall coordination and things like that, you know. So there's a bunch of stuff you can scroll up, and suspension improvements and things like that. So, you know, it's just a lot of bug fixes that they did in this particular update. So, you know, but now at least you know what it takes to update your car, and you know, should you really do it, when to do it, and what are the things that you should and should not do during the update. So hopefully this helps you guys update your vehicle. Guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.